Puppet.
Hello.
How are you this week?
Oh, very excited. This is a big week for Puppet. My first time at school. Me even packed my own bag.
You did?
Yep.
Can we look inside and see what you packed?
Sure.
Okay,
Take a
let's
look.
Okay, let's start with this. Oh, the 96 count of Crayolas.
Yep. Old classic.
Very good.
Even has the sharpener on the back.
Very good. It looks like, oh, Puppet, are these yours?
Not exactly. They're supposed to be reading glasses. You know, help you read.
Are they helping you read?
Not really. Every time you put them on, everything just look all bonkers.
Okay. Oh, Puppet.
Oh.
What's stuffed puppy doing in here?
My little secret. You know, me need Puppy in case we take a nap at school.
All right, well, let's put him there with you.
Okay.
All right. And then, Puppet, it looks like we've got some stain remover.
Yeah, be ready for everything. What if me get stain on my fur on the first day?
Well, that does make sense. Now, I'm digging in deeper here. Puppet, it looks like... Uh-oh.
Yeah.
It looks like we
These
got
are great.
Puppet,
Everybody been talking about them.
pants?
School pants.
Puppet, you don't even have legs. You can't wear pants.
Oh no. Me haven't even been to school on my first day, and already me caving in to peer pressure.
It's okay. I know you like to be prepared.
Yep.
All right, now, I hope you got some... Okay, and it looks like you do, so...
These are my lunch options.
Puppet, Funyuns?
Yeah, you know, lunch and fun, all in one package.
Oh, Puppet, okay. And then it looks
This
like...
is my grown-up option.
You've
option
got
2.
some... These look like... Oh,
Yeah.
Puppet. What is... What?
Salisbury steak. Everybody likes Salisbury
Puppet.
steak. Keep going.
Ooh,
What else?
Puppet.
See?
These look like... Oh, please don't tell me.
Mashed potatoes. You don't like bag of potatoes?
And the... Oh, Puppet.
Bag of corn.
Puppet. You
Oh, my
did-
fruit. Me have fruit, too. See?
Oh,
Bag of peaches.
Puppet, you can't... You
Yeah,
can't take
can't wait to get my hands on those.
them.
Oh, my last thing. Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Take them out. Yay! Best part.
Puppet, are these
My pickle chips. My
Oh.
pickle chips.
pickle chips? Puppet.
Me so proud. Me do all this by myself. What? Aren't you proud of me?
I am very proud of you. So
Thank you.
proud of you that you did it
Hey.
yourself. But you know what? Maybe we're going to put these all back in your bag.
Okay.
And maybe
And you're
we
taking
can...
me to school?
Well, I am taking you to school.
Okay.
But maybe there's a few different options for your lunch that we could share.
Oh,
Maybe
okay.
some a little more nutrition. We'll leave Puppy here.
You can
for
put Puppy back in.
You sure?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
He's good.
Okay. We're going to put these over here.
Yep.
And I'm thinking, Puppet, that over here we may have a few better options for lunch. Maybe some options over here would be better.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do we got?
Well, let's just look. Let's
This looks
look at
fancy.
some. Well, no, not fancy.
You're missing
Easy.
Salisbury steak.
We are missing Salisbury steak, but you know what?
What?
We can make a little healthier lunch, just as simple and just as nice, and it hits all of your food groups.
Okay.
So what we can do is a little pita. How about a little pita lunch?
Yep.
So little half. These are pita. You know, they come like this, and then
Yep.
you cut them in half.
Like a little taco shell.
Yep, and I think because sometimes we don't know if we have refrigeration or not, we can use mustard or not. Sometimes I think just the fat of the avocado helps, but I'm going to, for today's purposes, put a little mustard in our pita.
Okay.
And then you can, ooh, there it went.
Oh,
That's
keep
okay.
going.
So then we can either put, now for you, because I know you like lunch meat,
Yep.
we've got some ham, turkey, cheese, tomato slices, and some shredded lettuce. So
Sure.
you want turkey or ham for your lunch today?
Whatever you want.
All right,
Surprise
let's use.
me.
Let's do a little bit of both.
Okay.
Let's do a little bit of
So
both.
pack it down in?
Pack it down in. Take that and pack it down in.
Yep.
And then let's put a little cheese first.
Yep.
Any kind of cheese you want.
Okay.
And maybe a little bit of turkey too,
Oh, that's
because
stacking it up.
it's a long day for you at
Big
school.
thing. Yep.
Yep.
Big sandwich.
And then we're gonna put a little tomato slice in there.
Yep, my
just
tomatoes.
like that.
Yep.
You like those.
Yep.
And I shredded the lettuce.
Oh,
so you
like
know what?
Kind of like a little taco.
It looks like a little taco. It's like a little taco boat. Can everybody see that?
Yeah.
And that way
Yeah.
you can pack that. Now, for some reason, we didn't get the toothpick on here, but you can also put an avocado.
Okay.
I didn't slice it up, but
Okay.
the toothpick will go in there. You can put it in the plastic wrap. or your little
The
lunch.
toothpick holds it together?
The toothpick holds it together.
Gotcha.
And it keeps it fresh for all day at lunch. Now you can also, I know that there's other options to pack lunches in little cases, but we didn't show those today. Now, because it's a long day for you at lunch, or at school, I mean, I like you to have a little treat while you're there too. So I got
like snacks and sides.
I got snacks and sides. So I got a beverage for you.
Yeah.
I know that you like strawberry
quick.
Strawberry quick.
Yeah.
You love strawberry quick. Now for a healthier option too, if you don't want a whole sandwich, I put a little yogurt in here. Little yogurt, put it on the bottom. And then these little balanced break snacks, very good, because they've got cheese and they've got nuts and granola and things in them, so you can pack that.
Dried cherries, stuff like that.
Look it, we're coming into apple season, but this looked so good, I thought you might want that.
Oh yeah, fancy.
Okay,
look at that.
So that's it. That's our lunch options.
Yeah.
And I think that that's a perfect little, take it to school, take it to work, take it wherever you want.
Yeah.
But I just wanted to share that with everybody. And you go back to school this week. Are you excited?
Oh, very excited.
You're going to make friends?
Yeah, I hope so.
And you're going to come home and tell us all about it?
Yep.
And then I think that's it. I think that's all we've got to share this week. Yeah. We've got the recipes. We've got extra little segments too in our community page, which you can find on our YouTube website. And there's a little tab there that you click community.
Our little web page.
Yep, our little web page. Our YouTube
under community.
Under community. Hit that button, click that button, and there's extra little photos and things there. Okay?
Stuff for me at Comic-Con, all kinds of stuff on there.
A lot of things for you. Is there anything else you want to share before we say goodbye till next week?
No, me share some of this strawberry quick with you if you like.
Okay.
After the show.
After the show. We'll do that after the show. Yeah. All right. Thank you, everybody. Back to school it is, and we will see you next week.
Back to school. Back to school.
Back to school. Thank you.
Thank you.